Hello everyone, are you ready for some phonics? Fantastic. Bounce the sounds 3 times. Well done. I have got some pictures here. Think about what sound you can hear. My turn, your turn. Exit. Excited. Exercise. Did you hear a sound that was the same in those pictures? Let's do it again and really think about that sound. Exit. Excited. Exercise. There's a sound that is the same in excited, exercise. It is the x sound. Well done. Would you like to see the x sound today? Are you ready? Are you steady? X, 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 x. Fantastic. Okay, I am going to robot some words and you are going to blend. So wake up your blending arm. Your first word is mix. Mix. Well done, can you mix something up? Mix, 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 mix. And your next word is box. Box. Well done. And next word is six. Six. Can you show me 6 fingers? 6. Well done. Okay, now you are going to be robots. Are you ready? Show me your robot arms. Put in some new batteries. Make sure they're super strong. Your first word is fix. Off you go. Well done. And your next word is tax. Off we go. Let's do it together. Tax, tax. And last word, this one's a little bit longer. Are you ready? It is exit. Off we go. And everyone, exit, exit. Very good. Can you remember that sound that we're thinking about today? It is x, x, x. Lovely. We are going to read some words with the x sound in them. When we read, what do? We look at the letters, make the sounds, blend the sounds together. Everyone, I want to hear you. Very good. Sitting up straight, looking carefully. Off we go. Everyone, X, fix. Well done. Next word. Everyone, box, box. Fantastic. And are you ready? Everyone, tax, tax. Well done. And last word, still looking. All together, exit, exit. Lovely. We are going to practice writing the x sound. And to help us, we can think about someone who is excited because they are exercising. Can you make a X shape? Well done. So make sure that you have a pen or a pencil and something to write on. I'm going to practice the X sound. So we go across and across. We do a finger space and we go across, across. Finger space, across, across. Well done. Make sure that you're doing it at an angle, at a diagonal. If you do it straight, that is not a X sound. So we've got to make sure that we go across and across like this. Well done. Keep practicing and saying the sound as you write it. We're practicing the X, X, X sound. Well done. X, X, X. Very good. Okay, it is time to write some words. When we write words, what do? We say the word, say the word, say the word, robot the word, write the word. Everyone, we. Amazing. Robot arms ready. Your first word is box. Off we go. And writing it down. Box. Lovely. We are going to write it together. Are you ready? Box. The first sound is B. Remember the B faces towards the sun. B. O. Well done. Remember, we always start at the start of the board or the page on this side and we always write towards the sun. Lovely writing. Okay, are you ready for your next word? Robot arms out. Your next word is exit. Exit. Off we go. And writing it down. Thinking carefully about all of the sounds. Exit. Okay, let's write it together. Exit. First sound is E. Well done. E. Exit. X. I. Exit. Fantastic. Really amazing writing, everyone, and fantastic phonics. I think you should give yourselves a 1, 2, 3. Well done me. Should we do it together? Are we ready? 1, 2, 3. Well done me. Very good. I'll see you next time. Bye.